Okay, so today we have this temperature probe from CohCoh. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. It's CohCoh. It's available on Amazon now. What is it? It's essentially you cook your food and then you need to test the temperature. You would use this little device to be able to do that. So as you can see, it comes in the one bag and then in this little pouch. So the device itself isn't actually too heavy. It's quite sort of nifty. Got a little screen peeler on there. And all you would do is once you've got your food, you would just pop it straight in. And that would then give you the temperature. It's accurate to plus or minus 1 degree C. And it can go up to 200 degrees centigrade. That's 392 Fahrenheit. It's a great little device, and what it means is if you're ever unsure that the inside of your food is cooked, you can just use this device to double check it, pop it in. If it's not up to temperature, pop it back in for a few more minutes. Stops you from getting food poisoning, as your health is the most important thing. It also means if you are or have got a baby even, you can check the temperature of the milk. So the food is always something that is a paramount importance to parents. Is it too hot? Is it too cold? Pop this in. Yeah, it's meant to be 26 degrees or however hot it's meant to be. Pop this in and you can find out the temperature straight away. If you do decide not to switch it off, it has got an auto shut off as well, so it will shut itself off after 10 minutes of no use. It is a fantastic item, and it's even got a little battery as well, which is replaceable. It's an LR44, which is the old ear hearing and aid batteries. It's also got the 2 buttons on the back, so you can switch it on and off, and you can also switch it between Celsius and Fahrenheit. It's a fantastic little item.